Hey guys, got two jokes for you today. So, thought I'd start off with one from my good friend Noxie. So I went on a date with this girl last night. Very pretty, very attractive, but I kinda noticed she weren't very smart when I asked her if she liked Scampi, and her reply was, "Of course I like Scampi, I love all the Disney cartoons." So that one's been sent in by Noxie, guys. Remember, if you do have any jokes, send them in with your name as well, and I'll do you a shout out and read your joke out. The next one is, how do you get a country girl's attention? A tractor. They're getting worse, guys. They're getting worse. Oh. That's new. Shows how long shows how long it's been since I've been around this area. I'm not too sure what that's actually gonna be, whether it's gonna be like a additional part to the school or what it's gonna be. Yeah, that big grey silver building thing. I mean, I know this little yellow bar that can't even talk today. Put my teeth back in. I know this yellow building here, I believe that's part of the Peñas. Like, I think one of the main Peña groups had to use that as base. On the sort of pedestrian strip now, I mean, that's what we call it, to be fair. I'm not sure what the Spanish will call it, but nice for pet shop there. You've got all the little birds twittering away. I think I'm just going to head straight down here, maybe. Tons of nice, different little shops. Cafe Toulouse. I hope I pronounced that right. Anyway, before I forget as well, guys, kinda late on this, but happy birthday to Janet Hubbard. Hope you had a great day, darling. And I mean, I probably mentioned this before already, but a friend of mine's just recently went into hospital for like brain surgery, and she wasn't a coma. And I mean, yeah, I do admit big old Marcus was kind of worried. I was quite nervous, scared for her, just hoping she'll be okay. And my good news is, guys, she is okay. she's just kinda super tired and super hungry, but I mean, that's good at least. Like, she's able to sort of message me now and then to let me know she's okay. Hotel Las Vegas there, guys. That looks a nice hotel as well, right here in town. Imagine that'll be got a good place to stay for when they have the November fiestas with all the pennies and gangs of little kids setting off fireworks and all that. Nice fruit and veg shop there as well. Now just kind of coming into town again. Try not to get lost. Gonna head down to Sally here, I believe. Before I do forget, guys, do any of you lot know how to get rid of an ear infection? Because I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've tried pretty much everything from ear drops but from a pharmacy to a boiling hot spoon with olive oil to me ear. Even tried taking some antibiotics. Anyway, gonna finish here. Hit the like, hit subscribe. See you in the next one. Adios.